Okay guys, it's because this particular update is paying and I am actually cashing out from this update. That is why I want to calm down and make this video. However, as we proceed, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification. This is a way of supporting me and also encouraging me to provide videos like this on this channel. Now, if you are new or you are old in my channel or my groups, pay attention right now. Now, this is the particular app we are using for this particular project. Now, once you go over to your app store or Google Play Store, download it. It is called Bitget Wallet. Bitget Wallet. Now, once you download it, launch your app. Now, once you launch your app, the first thing you want to do right here is to come down and do your normal, your seed phrasing, your verification, and make sure you are ready on this page. Okay, make sure you are ready on this page. Then the next thing you want to do right now is to come down right here and paste this link. Let me show you the link that you have to paste right here. Let me show you. Paste this first link. You can see it. This first link is what you have to paste right here. Copy this first link. Copy this first link, then paste it right here. Paste it right here. Paste it, then click on search. Okay, so once you click on search, click on visit link, then click on enter. It's going to bring you over to this interface. Once you're here, start mining. Click on start mining. So once you start mining, you can see that mine is already mining. Then you come right here and always claim. You can claim every minute if you have the strength. If you can claim every hour, you can claim every time. You can claim it. Just come right here and claim. Now, once I claim, you can see that it has been added to my balance. Now, the other thing you want to do is to always withdraw from this platform. You need to withdraw right here to your WDD wallet. Now, to withdraw from the WDD wallet, you just have to come right here. You can see that, and you see wallet. Okay, now before you can be able to withdraw, you know you need a wallet. You will click on withdraw. You can see that you need the wallet of the WDD wallet. Now, how do you get the WDD wallet? Now, that is when you now come over to copy this second address. This is WDD wallet on that particular wallet. This is the WDD wallet. Copy this particular wallet. Copy it. Go to your account. Then move back. Go over to home. Go over to home. You can see I'm already here. Then come down to wallet right here. Come down to wallet. Then once you click on wallet, you can see this particular token, this plus sign. Click on that plus sign. Then come down right here. Then paste that wallet and click on search. You can see that this is WDD wallet. The last one you're seeing circled under minus. You are seeing minus on it. That is on red. That is WDD wallet. It's because I've added it. That is why it's on minus. Yours will be on plus. Then click on it. Then it will be on minus. Now, this is how we are going to do it. Now, I'm going to come down right here. You can see that when I come over to my wallet, I already have the WDD wallet. Let me go over to my account. So when you come right to the home, come over to wallet. Now, let me say I come over to receive. Now, you will see that I have my WDD wallet right here. So this is my WDD wallet. I'll click on it. So you can see that I can now copy my WDD wallet and I will come over to my account. So once you come over to discover, that is when you can go over to your account. You can paste the link right here, but I've been using this platform, so I can click on this app word and take me to my account. So I can claim this. And now to withdraw to your WDD wallet, come down to this icon right here and click on wallet. Okay, then click on withdraw. Then come right here and paste your WDD wallet. Then come down right here and select the base network. Then click on max. Then click on withdraw. So once you've done that, you can see you have withdrawn it. So let's go and check our WDD wallet and see if it has reflected. So when you come down to wallet right here, let's say receive. So when you come down to your WDD wallet right here, you can see that it has reflected on our WDD wallet. Now, the next thing you want to do, since you've transferred these funds to your WDD wallet, the next thing you want to do is to go over to discover right here, then come down to this search right here and click this. So we are going to be going over to wallet. Now, this time around, we're not going to withdraw, we are going over to trade. Now, once you click on trade, click on WDD based on Uniswap. So once you click on that, it's going to direct you over to where you can easily move your WD funds to your account. Now when you come down right here, you can see that my WD balance is reflecting right here. You can see that I have over 202.99 WD, which is over 9, which is equivalent to $1.90. So right now I'm going to click on sell. The reason why I'm able to click on sell is because I've gotten my gas fee. You can't place your withdrawal, you can't sell right here because you have not gotten your gas fee. That is why I said once you're on this page, if you really want to continue earning, you just have to get your gas fee, a one-time payment, and you are good to go. It's not expensive, and it will allow you to withdraw as many as you want. So I'm going to click on sell right here, and I'm going to come down right here and click on max, and I'm going to come down right here and select my token, which is the base Ethereum. So once I select that, you can see that this is what I'll be getting, 1.87 on my account, and I'm going to click on review. So I'm going to click on confirm, and I'm going to click on swap. So right now it's taking its time to swap this, and you can see that I can go ahead to confirm this. So I just click on confirm, do my face ID, and I'm good to go. So you can see that it's loading. So that is how it works. You can see received successfully, so 1.87. So when you go over to my account right here, you will see that my balance has actually increased. So that is how it works. Let me refresh. This is 6 points. You can see now I have 8.65. now I can go ahead to withdraw this to my USDT wallet or my Binance wallet. It's already in dollar. Now to do that, all you just need to do is to come down right here and click on trade. So once you click on trade, you can see that I can come down right here and select the wallet. So just come right here and let's search for the base network, the base Ethereum base, because that is where the money is already in. So let's select the Ethereum base. You can see it right here. So click on that, click on max. You can see that that's 8.44. Then you come down right here and select where you want to move that funds to. So I'm selecting the USDT. Okay, so I'm selecting the USDT. So let me come right here and select USDT. You can see that. So we are going over to select USDT. We are moving this to USDT. Let me just come down right and manually select this. So let's select the USDT. So this is actually USDT. Then you can come down right here and select max. So you can see that I can go ahead to exchanges, and this is what I'll be getting, but I'm not going to be doing this right now because I want to keep more funds right here. So this platform is very easy and swift. Just your gas fee, you continue earning on this platform. So because of gas fee, most people are not earning on this platform because of gas fee. So just start immediately and start leveraging on it. It's just to mine and claim, then convert. Just do what I did on this video. Just pause and play. You get to understand this. It's very simple. So thank you for watching this video, even with the noise. I'm sorry about that. And please, if you got value from this, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. See you on my next video and keep winning.